playing here. Pyang Pyang. Happy birthday, Pyang Pyang.
Tita. Tita. Mango.
Spice, chili, and salt.
Uy, balik dulu na yung lawa eh.
Alright guys. We're gonna cut it in half so we can put it on the fridge. We'll see if this is red.
Maybe it's yellow.
No, the other one is yellow, the green one. All green.
Hala! It is red. I can see. Wow!
So red.
That's very red.
You want me to cut this one and then this one just
Yeah. Yeah, we eat. Oh.
You gonna eat now?
Well, I'm too full.
Yeah,
Later na lang.
Ready? I will have it. Pwede pa ko lang kung ipanitan.
Agoy kahang! Aslong halang. No, siguro makita rin siya. Blend in man. Hello, beautiful people! Maayong buntag. Good morning. Dzień dobre. Our birthday celebrant is here and she's going to put her bouquet of roses into the flower vase. So now,
What the boss? Perfect.
we had breakfast already. We had a slow morning and you know what? I had a really good sleep, by the way. It was so weird because even if I already put the air condition at 21 degrees, Peppa Pig lang. It was super hot last night and then all of a sudden it rained. And it only lasted for like few minutes. Okay, we are gonna be eating Bingle's cake. Yeah?
Yeah.
We have salad from last night. For breakfast, we ate the leftover, which was the afritada. So yummy,
So
tak?
delicious.
We did not even eat the cake last night, oh, because we were so full. You cut it because you're the celebrant, man.
Here.
Just small piece. Guys, I'm gonna show you the agava americanska later.
Where did you bought that?
Here, just here in the neighbor. Hala, perfect cut.
Not yet. Until.
You can just do. Pangga, oh.
Okay.
Mine for me.
Okay.
Dziękuję. Wszystkiego najlepszego.
Happy birthday to you.
Yes. Dziękuję. Fiang Fiang is sleeping. We're actually gonna do Fiang's photo shoot.
For her upcoming birthday on May.
Yes.
Ang delicioso.
Lagi. Oh, natapos na. Apila to.
The chairs are on the table. The floor has been swept. It's closing time and I'm a little tired. It's a long time since I've slept. But things are moving forward. I'm ready to move on. Heading for a brand new start at the break of dawn. Here I come. You better watch out. You better beware. The rumor is out. Nothing can stop me. I'm going for gold. I'm out of the dark. I'm out of the cold. Here I come. You better watch out. You better beware. The rumor is out. Nothing can stop me. I'm going for gold. I'm out of the dark. I'm out of the cold. going nowhere. I travel on my own. Here I come.
Madam Vingo is making lunch. Let's see what we have. Hello! Pork pinakupsan.
Yeah.
Hoy, that looks so good. And smells
But we
so
don't know
yummy.
if it tastes good.
It tastes good for sure. It looks
Ano
like
yung
it.
dapat ano, ha?
Look at that. Wow. Nice. It's super.
Ito na ito, guys.
Luto na?
Dapat itong sudan.
Oh, the rice is here. Oh, see? Steaming hot. Guys, it's super hot. Panda is here, ah. Unsa man na? Panda.
Pangos, so
Mhm. Look at guys. Hello. Bang, bang.
Hi, hi.
What you doing here? Hi. Happy birthday. Guys, it's super hot. 40 degrees Celsius. Everyone was being encouraged to stay indoors and stay hydrated because heat index in Cebu is 40 degrees Celsius. It's insanely hot. Close open, close open. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hello, everybody just woke up from a nap. Pyang pyang also look. Where are we going, guys? Hello, they have so many buko. We are going to Nana's pig farm because earlier we just did Sophia's photo shoot. It's a DIY, and then I did the invitation card. We're gonna do the tarpaulin later, and then you wanna talk? You wanna talk as well, Tak? She always loves to get the microphone, you know. Okay, so we're heading to Nana's pig farm because we're gonna look at Sophia's lechon because I got a lechon tray, but we don't have lechon. Tak? Fiang, we have to look for your lechon, Fiang. So we are walking, going there. You know what? It's not very hot today.
Yes.
Surprisingly.
Sa buto.
Yeah, they're harvesting buko di ay.
Oo.
Ah? Nana? She always wants to talk. Oh, very nice to walk. It's so refreshing. And I will show you a rose farm. Look. This is so pretty. I don't know why do they need to put a net in the flower. Ah, so the bees doesn't eat it? Ah. This is so nice. This is where mom bought the rose for you. And then she wrapped it to herself. Oh, look. Very big. Oh, this is a really big farm, guys. Razel's house is there. Oh. Mommy is already there. She's gonna feed the pigs. And we're gonna look which one shall we do for Fiang's lechon. For Fiang's birthday. Baho naman. They also have babies as well to carry the roses. Almost said hi, guys. Welcome to the vlog. Hello, we are here visiting Nana's pig farm. So those are 11 pigs, little pigs. They are so cute. And you know what? One of those, but I think they're too young to be a lechon. Guys, they're so cute. Look, there's so many of them. Wow. I think they're shy. Oh. Hello. Oh, we're here. Piang Piang, where's Piang Piang? Fiang Fiang, you like the pig? You like the pig, Fiang? That's Peppa Pig. Say hello to all the Peppa Pig of Nana. Look, oh, they're waiting for the food. I think they're afraid of us. Alright, how many are they? Raz, dva, two, cztery, pięć, sześć, siedem, osiem, dziewięć, dziesięć, and 11. Wow! We have 11 Peppa Pig over here. I think they're afraid. Hi guys! Welcome to the vlog. Fiang Fiang, you like? Look at her. You like the Peppa Pig? Wow! They will be fed now, soon. Okay, so over there, we have 11 pigs. And then, right here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 little pigs. They are smaller. Hello! Wow, Nana has so many pigs. Ay! Hello, guys! They're more calm here. Look, they're so small. And then here, look. Hala, Nana is going to put na the food. Hala, they're ready to eat. Let's see, babe. Hala, look, look. Hala. Wow. Ay, anaon day, Nana. Oh. Hala, they're so nice. Oh, there's so many feeds. Imagine how many sacks of feeds. So loud in here, guys. That's so nice, oh. They're so uniform. And the little ones, here also. Nagkagubot ba ya? Uy, ano naman siya tunga? Nabuguya ni niya. Oh, look. Wow. Very nice they are, guys. Ah, they have water here. Look, they're drinking. Nice. Voda, tutay. Pee, voda. Oh? Yeah. They're drinking water, tutay. Pee, voda, tutay. Yes, tutay. Pee, tutay. Oh, look. Wow. Oh? They're so small. Oh, nice kayo. Basta maglinya sila.
Dagang sad. Mo tanong, kumupanig ko niya akong bes na magkaon.
Right, we are done visiting Mom's pig farm. I did not realize she has so many little piglets. Now we're gonna have to choose which one. But I think they're not ready for Fiang Fiang's birthday because it will be next week. Hala! They're so small to be a lechon.
Si Piano na mukha na to.
We're going back now because we are going to feed Fiang Fiang's 10 chickens. Oh, that's plan B. Hello? Oh, siya prasyam. Look at the red roses. Huh? They cover it. Okay. Right, now we are here in Fiang Fiang's poultry farm. So these are the 10 chicken. Oh, that we're gonna prepare for Fiang Fiang's birthday. They're so small.
And the Piang here is
The Fiang Fiang here looking at the chicken. Huh? Peng? Peng Peng? Ano ba na? Huh? Chicken? Hi, chicken! Look, guys, they're so small, man.
Hindi naman nakaapa siya.
Very small. Look. 10 pieces as well. For lechon.
Duga na ka nagpalit og kuan, manok?
Bon appetit, everybody. Let's have dinner. What do we have here? We have leftover grilled pork and chicken. So we just put in the air fryer and it is hot now. So we have here kinamatisang buwad, dried fish with tomatoes, care of Mom. This is one of my favorite. And then here we have utan bisaya. Look at that, guys. So yummy. And of course, rice. Bingos flour. Let's eat na, guys.